Hello guys, and welcome to another challenge day, the second day of the 5ers challenge. This is Marius Stanescu, and yeah, I just a little bit strange for me to live streaming, but I'm just trying to accommodate and see how the works the work is going. Before starting the analysis, I just want to check something. I just want to post my uh, the live streaming. I just want to post it on the 5ers group. Yes, so I'm back. For those who were watching me yesterday, I had a trade open on FTSE 100. Just trying to see where this is. Just 1 second. So I had this buy order here, which closed in profit, and unfortunately, it took like a lot of time for this trade to close, and at one point it went down on break even, and then it went so close to my take profit that the profit was around here, I think, something like this. So I had to move the trade on break even, and after I moved the trade on break even, the not break even, sorry, it was like 1.5 risk to reward here. So I put the stop loss on 1.5 risk to reward, and then the price went in the next half an hour, 1 hour, it went up. It would have hit my take profit here, but it's fine. I probably just lost about $20 and that's it. But anyway, let's see what opportunities I'm going to have. The market is going to offer today. I'm going to start with the short analysis on FTSE and looking on 5 hour time frame. Yeah, the price is moving aggressively to the upside, and um, I'll just try to delete this one because I don't need it. And see what we can find. So yeah, the lines doesn't need to be perfect. The lines don't need to be perfect, sorry. So it's some type of uptrend, and it's like very strange, but that's what we are seeing from the market now. And at one point we have the moving average here, the price going under the moving average, and now again price is going above moving average, so which we have like a confirmation for the buy trades. If we are going to go buy, we are going to go like this, and if you are going to go um, short with sell trades, then we need to consider at them as um, uh, corrections or retracements, because the as the market looks now, if they are the price is going to continue the uptrend, then we need to expect for another impulse to the upside. So the price might just go something like this, which one here, and one here. So the price should create higher highs on 4 hour chart. Uh, if it will do that or not, then we need to see later and see how the price is reacting. But now we should just focus on long trades up until 8,600 area. I'm going to go on 1 hour and see what we are seeing on 1 hour. Not much, just actually in 1 hour you can see a lower low that was forming here. So you can also say that maybe it's going to some type of trend reversal, but we still have plenty of space to play at this area. So what I'm going to count now is just long trades. If I'm going to short this, probably what I'm expecting from the market is that the price should go something like this, and I will short around here, waiting for the price to go down, or something like this. So let's see how the price is going to react. I don't have nothing, to be honest, like yesterday. Yesterday was much more clear. Um, but now we are going to choose this level to go long, and then we are going to choose this level to go short, and then again long above this one. So this is what we have now, and another short level will be here. This is how we are going to play. Let's move on Renko and see what informations we get from Renko. So Renko is bullish. Renko, it's fine for long trades. This is on 1 hour, and if you are going to go on 4 hour, this is also bullish, and we can say that this red brick was like a false brick, but uh, if the price will come back here under this or under this, then we can also consider short trades, as I was saying, and the price might continue going and creating red bricks. So there is nothing very concludent right now. Let's see what the informations we are getting from, but now we are long, sorry, here, and let's move back on 1 hour, so it's long here. So yeah, let's see what informations we are getting on lower time frame. So on 5 minutes chart, um, yeah, this was there, and now we have, so we had this consolidation here, which was very nice, this consolidation at this area. And then I was speaking yesterday about false moves, false breakouts, and we can say that we had this consolidation here with a lot of spikes, both to the upside, both to the downside. Then we got this green, very aggressive green candle, and the price went down. So this is a very important signal, because then this is going to put me more to the bullish side, and you can see that the price is already going up with every candle. So what happened here? Um, there are institutions and other trading entities like banks or whatever, that they know that people are going to enter, sorry, not like this, it's so people, they know that, like I entered yesterday in the transaction, this is how I entered yesterday in transaction. So they know that you are going to put probably the stop loss here. So if you are going to enter long, you are going to do like this, and you put the stop loss under the structure, and that's it. So you got your stop loss hit, which means that there is a lot of liquidity here for people who wanted to buy and go long. So um, the fact that you had this false break here and the price is moving down, that's just a personal interpretation. I am tending to say that buyers, they needed liquidity and needed to buy for a better price, like I was speaking yesterday. Buyers, they always need to buy at a good price. They are not going to buy at, it's normal, like you don't want to buy a house when it's very expensive. You wait for the market to go a little bit down. So this is what the buyers did. So I'm again going to search for buy opportunities here. I would like to go long here. I would like to see some type of retracement if I will get the chance. Um, Another chance for entering trade. Yeah, I don't like this one. I will put it a little bit more here, and I will just do like that. Let's make it not so thick. Okay, so I will make this like a red area here. Because I'm expecting the price to reach to this. Yeah, that's my dog. I'm expecting the price to go to this area and then it will um, I'm expecting for a correction that will happen at this level, and of course I will also uh, expect for some type of buy trades at above this level. But now we are in the middle of nowhere. We are so you cannot enter long, you cannot enter short at this price, but this is what I'm waiting. I'm just going to put these ones here so that I know what to expect, and then I am putting another one here, and then a sell trade here, and then again another sell trade here. So I don't know now what will happen, but let's wait for the price to move a little, and then we will see. Okay, let's look at other um, instruments and see if we are getting better informations or more informations. Let's look at DAX, or no, let's start with standard SP. This is 1 minute. This is 1 hour chart. We are in the middle of the last retracement here. So I don't get that many information on 1 hour chart. On 4 hour chart, I have an uptrend, so I'm expecting the price to continue going up. On Renko, we have green bricks and again green bricks, so we are in an uptrend here. Let's put some of this so that we know that we are expecting long trades, and here we are expecting long trades. How these long trades are going to happen, we don't know exactly now, but let's look on lower time frame and see what lower time frame it's showing us. No, lower time frame, I don't see that much information. This is the preview. The it's a lot of uncertainty, if I can say, and it's normal because the both sellers are confused with this open AI and DeepSeek, yes, news. They don't know exactly what to expect. So not sure now what to trade, but let's see what informations, if we can get a little bit more information from this. If we are going to draw this line, which this was a bullish pattern that is formed here, this one like this, it's a bullish wedge, I think it's called, and we have a break, we have a retest, and then price is going to this resistance here level, and then it's falling back down. So what this means is that maybe the buyers wanted to buy again at a lower price, but because the price is coming back to this one, um, there is again some type of uncertainty. So what I would like to see, this yellow one, we make neutral, we don't enter trades here. So where I would like to enter trades, it will be like one trade here, I might go, maybe it's a little bit too aggressive to enter here, so I would rather enter here like this. The price is falling down here, is moving above, and boom, this is how I will enter along. In order for me to enter short, I would like the price to go under this area, and then if the price is going under this area, then that's a clear sign for me that a downtrend or down move should happen here. So yeah, this is not so aggressive, this buy trade here, but let's see what will happen. Okay, let's move to Nasdaq and see what informations are we getting in Nasdaq. 4 hour, that's like a consolidation here. There is like more like a downtrend actually that is forming. It's very, very strange. We have this downtrend here, yeah. But if I am going to move it on daily, then you will see that this looks like a pattern. The price is going up, it's consolidating downwards, and that will be the this is like a continuation pattern. It's a flag, falling flag, I think it's called, yeah. So this is what you can see on long term, but we don't know. Let's go down to lower time frames. 1 hour. Oops, sorry. On 1 hour, if we are going to search for the logical move of this, um, so what I'm expecting is like this should happen now. If not like that, then the price should go a little bit more up and it should continue in zigzag to the upside. So one of these scenarios probably, and the price now it's at a very strange level here. It's like an area, if you look also in the past, an area where that's not so decisive, I don't know if that's the word, a lot of indecision, let's say, at this level here. So again, that will be a level where I don't want to enter trades, but where I want to enter trades, those will be here buy and here short. That's an area that I don't want to focus on trading inside this area here. Now let's see what we have on other time frames. If we are looking on 5 minutes chart, it's similar with SP. If you can see, like, we have this area where I said that I don't want to enter trades, and then yeah, it's so similar. And I will look at it at a different way. Let's imagine this differently. Let's imagine this like that. This is an area where you want to go long. This is a false break here. And if I want to enter long, then probably it will be too risky to go here again. It doesn't make any sense. Even though the price has touched this area, you can see we have one. We have again this false break. Then we have again this touch here, and then again this touch. So should the price touch again this one and move up, like where is it? So is the price going to do like this again? Probably not. Maybe yes, but probably not. I don't know. But one scenario that I would like to happen, it will be this one like that. So then I will go short here. Under this level, I will go short. Now, buy scenarios. I don't have any buy scenario right now. It's like so confusing. But buy scenario will be above this level anyway. I don't see any reason of why I should go long at other prices. Okay, so nothing very concludent. To be honest, we need to wait and see what will happen. Let's move back to our ships. Uh, Honestly, I don't like the sell trade here because the price might create some fake uh, breakouts above the level. So it's a little bit too aggressively to sell like that and expect that the price will go that so like that. So what I can expect in order to enter a little bit more safe, let's say that the price will play a little bit, will create this false break and it will go down, and then that will be a good trade to short. So yeah, let's see again DAX. um, DAX, it's also, let's start with 4 hour and with higher time frame. So for DAX, I'm missing the board here. I don't know how many of you are following double tops, head and shoulders, and so on, but this looks like double top. Not sure what will happen. We don't know, but this is like 1 hour chart, so I don't know what will happen in 2 days. Maybe you get this head and shoulder double top, sorry, finished. But by then, I can only focus on the following scenarios. Okay. Honestly, this level should move and change a little bit. Going to change it like this. Nah, this one is a strong level. This one, and yeah, I will do like this. Just try to reimagine how the things are looking, but in the same time, I have also this area here together with this one. So if you think about the normal flow of a chart or a price action, price is going up, it's going down, is going up, and is going down, creating lower lows and so on. If this is one of the possibility. Another possibility, it's that the price can move up, down, up, down, and up. So which one of this scenario we are going to go with? It's a little bit late now to go long. We are in the middle of nowhere now to go low, and we are approaching this resistance line here. So that scenario that we want the price to go like this is going to go out of discussion. But I like so much that the price went up, it went back to this level, and then now it might go up again. So where I can enter long trades to this one, it will be here. It's a little bit too aggressive, to be honest, here, but that's a level where I want to go long, and then this is a level where I want to go short. It's so aggressive, this type of scenarios, but I'm expecting, and sorry, another good price to go long short will be here under this, because I'm expecting that the price will create lower lows here. So yeah, you cannot know. The price can move also like this, where the price can fall down here and then go back again. So yeah, we are in the middle of nowhere here. So let's take some responsibility and accept the risk that anything can happen. We have some money management rules that we have established. Let's see what will happen. But before going to rush into decisions now, because it's so early, let's look on 4 hour and um, other charts and other time frames. So 4 hour doesn't show that much, but what do we see from Reiko? We see that uh, we might go up. We might go up because we had the green brick before. But let's see what 1 hour is showing us. 1 hour, yeah. Again, we can see up trades for 1 hour. So we can go aggressively with some buy trades, but the idea is where you are going to enter those long trades. So let's double check the levels here from the 1 hour time frame. So we have this level at 21,420. Just going to put some new lines. 21,420. And now you see when you go down to lower time frames, you can filter a little bit more and get some better entries, because here on 1 hour you don't know it's aggressive, it's not aggressive. Where should you go? Should you go there? Should you go here back to this level, or where should you go? And let me adapt a little bit to the most recent move. So this was yesterday, a very good channel, but now you can see the price is not moving the same way. So now we can see the most recent levels are these ones. So I'm going to go like this. Let's see if it's the same with 1 hour chart. 21,340, 21,300. 21,300. Yeah, there is no point to put it at 340. We do like this, and then 21,300. Let's leave it like that. I don't see that much importance, to be honest, myself in this level, like magical levels. I don't see them so magical, and I don't care to have them so fixed. I know that many traders, they like to have them perfect, but I don't tend to be perfect with drawing the levels. And I think I'm going to show you why, but let's see again what we have and what is happening with our trade. So on SP, it's 3 o'clock now my time, so it's a little bit early, half an hour from opening. I'm not going to do any trades now. Then we get Nasdaq. The price is still far away from my plan, levels here, so we are not going to do nothing. FTSE 100, again, we don't know what is happening here. Just need to wait a little bit more. Index, we just had it here, and nothing so conclusive or concludent. But I forgot to write the levels where I want to enter trade. So my best buy trade, to be honest, looking at this chart now, it will be this one here. Which green is this one? I think this is the one that I'm using usually. Yes. And then this one is not going to be yellow now because it's going to be also green. So um, I would like to enter long here, and then it will be a little bit aggressive, but I would like to enter short here, and then another short trade here, or another long trade here. Um, if the price is going to continue to this level, it might be too aggressive to think that we are going to short here. So I'm not sure if I want to do that, even though that's possible. I'm not sure. I think it's the same scenario like FTSE 100 that I said that I want the price to go a little bit up and then expect for a retracement. So I think I'm going to put an alert here. Not crossing, but touching. Do we have touching? Crossing. Okay, leave it crossing and that's it. So let's see if the price is going to reach this level, and then we are going to see now, because there is still half an hour more until the New York Open. Let me explain you why I don't trust in the lines levels, in the perfect levels, and I trust more in the scenarios that you are doing. What I'm trying to say with this, yesterday I have shown you also like a small experiment. So if I'm going to draw a random line, this is random, yes, just going to draw another random line here. You can see that at one point in the past, these lines, they will hit some less, and they will act somehow as support and resistance. And look, you get, you can say that here is not perfect, but what you will say, oh, the price got close to my line, and then it break, and then this candle from here, where is it, and then this candle here, it retouched, it went back to retest the level, and then it went up. And then here the same. Okay, the line was not perfect, but the price hit my resistance. We have this retracement here, and then boom, the price went down. uh, Here, yeah, it's not the case, but that's something that it will happen to you also. But what you will say here you will say, the price has chased some stop losses, and this is a false break, and then the price went up after it hit my stop loss or something like this. Here you can see that the price touched perfectly this level, and then you can highlight this like an area like I'm doing and say, okay, this was my buy area, this the price, what the price did, the price, uh, we had this preview resistance, the price went up, it pulled and break above the resistance area, it pulled back to retest, and then boom, up. So that's a lot of uh, coincidences that are happening in the market, from my opinion. Then again here, okay, the price was not close perfect to the line that I put, but it's here. So my point is that at one point in the future, if you draw a random line, it will act as a support and resistance, because the markets are so random and so choppy and so crowdy and so busy that the coincidence that your scenario will happen, it's very high and very real. If I decide to go short here, like just random, that may happen, maybe not now, but if I open sell trades with every time the price is hitting 800, 8,600, let's say, I might have the chances that at one point in the future, like 1 week, 1 month, 1 year, 10 years, I don't know, the price will go down from that level, and I will have a winning trade. That's simply my crazy perspective over the market. But what do I know in 20 years of trading? So you will see, okay, if I think that the market is not so concludent and uh, I don't, you cannot trust nothing that you see in the market. So what's the secret, or what's the solution? Not the secret. What is the solution? The solution is simple. Never trust your level and always be double biased. So always expect to have a losing trade and always have a plan B for your trades. Always. So the uh, secret, or my advice is always have plan B, plan C, and plan D in action, and act them like they are all your plan A. What do I mean by that? That if you get a losing trade here, don't get upset, don't get angry, because it's part of your plan. And uh, according to your plan, the price should uh, activate your second trade, which might turn into a winning or a loser. If it's a winning, it's part of the plan. If it's a loser, again, it's part of the plan, because you expect not to be right. Then again, and then again, as I have with each level. If you remember from yesterday, I have explained you that I'm trying to be double biased with every level that I have, and I'm planning to have 2 trades for each levels. So yeah, I think that that's very important, that you don't stick with one trade, because if you stick with one trade, you make all your analysis. Yes, and there are all type of indicators, and I don't know, uh, indicators and strategies that they will say, okay, if the price is going here, you enter short. Okay, but then what do you do if your stop loss is getting hit? Many traders, they are not going to do their backup plan, which again should not be a backup plan, should be part of your main plan. They are going to get surprised, and they are going to get disappointed and say, oh, okay, what happened? I did wrong. And then they are getting confused, and they don't know how to act, and they are going to go into a string of losing trades, trying to catch the losing trade that they had before. But for me, losing trade, it's part of the plan, and I'm expecting to be wrong, not to be right. Okay, enough talking. Let's see if we can get some action. If we can get some trades to this. Um, let's see again. We are like 20 minutes away from the New York Open, and nothing so important. Nothing so important is happening with the market. Okay, now we might get a chance to go long. Let's see what we get here. So let's rethink about the scenarios and like what happens now. On UK 100, we are far away from my levels. I'm very far on getting some type of action. So let's move to the next one. DAX, it's close to my level where I'm planning to go long, but let's see how it will act. I'm going to put an alert here. So if the price is getting to this level, then I might pay some attention. I'm not going to open trade by trade exactly here. I just want to see what will happen with the price. Okay, and then we get Nasdaq. Not so far, but I'm going to put some. Actually, to be honest, I'm not going to enter long here. no matter what happens. I'm not going to enter long, but I'm going to put an alert here and just to go short. I If I'm going to be a little bit more aggressive with the long trade, I will probably put it here, like above this level. Let's see if I want to be a little bit more aggressive. But this one, I just don't like it. I don't like how the price has tested this 21,000 and then 21,130, let's say, so many times. If there is a buyer here, or many buyers, yes, that they are looking this as a fair price to buy, then they should have pushed the price up by now. Maybe yes, maybe not, I'm not sure, but I am very suspicious about this level, to be honest. So I'm going to delete this green arrow from here. Don't want to get confused. This one, let's do like that. And let's see if I can filter this one a little bit more. No, this is a very choppy level here. I cannot do nothing about this, and I don't want to enter long here. So I don't want to do that. This don't want to enter long here, but instead I want to enter long here, like that. Okie dokie. Yesterday I had some music on the background, but I'm going to add music again because YouTube doesn't like that. They say that it's some type of um, how they call it, I don't know, but they don't like it. Copyright issues, they said. SP, Nasdaq, uh, yeah, this I don't really like it. So going long from here now, no, doesn't make sense. Maybe, maybe not, but I will also go short here. I'm just going to add another alert here. It's too aggressive to go long here, honestly. It's so aggressively, so I'm not just going to wait for the touch, I'm just going to wait for something uh, like this to happen. Just wait for the price a little bit to stay in that area. But I like, if I'm going to choose the best, my best instrument or asset to trade, it will be Nasdaq, because it's, if the price is going here, that's going to be a good to 21,200, close to 21,200 will be a good price to buy. If it's going to go under here, you might see another false move here, but yeah, you need to take a chance and you need to take a risk like this. So Let's see what will happen. I'll just try to go with 2 times risk to reward so that I can close my session faster. SP, it's not, it's paralyzed, it's half dead. Then you get some action from Nasdaq and also from FTSE and also from Germany. Okay, we have a very aggressive bullish bar here. What does that mean? I don't know. It might say that the price will continue down or not. By the way, another, just that's personal. Doesn't matter if you are speaking about support and resistance. By the way, why I'm not seeing this here? Why I'm blind or what? Okay, this one was a very important level. If we are speaking about support resistance or candles, yes, and then you say, okay, I have an engulfing like here, engulfings or pattern formations or candlestick formations, sorry, or even patterns, they're always meant to, uh, the rules of them, they're meant to, or not the rules, the percentage of them to happen as by the book, that's not 100%. Here, look, a scenario with this aggressive bearish candle, you have it also here, but the price what's doing is going up and you don't see any engulfing bars here, but the price is going up. So yeah, you might get some insights like we had yesterday on FTSE on 4-hour chart. That was very nice what we see, what we had here. These spikes here on 4-hour, 1-2 candlesticks, which was very nice and very clear that this was a very good price for buyers here. They like buying to that level. But sometimes you might see some information, sometimes you might not see, and sometimes they might be true, sometimes they might not be. So as I said, don't expect to be right. The price is going from this level that I said is going up. Let's see. Nothing here, nothing here. Now, in order not to get FOMO, let's put another buying scenario. If it's a buying scenario first, or if it's a sell scenario. We get higher highs, higher lows, so we are still in an uptrend. If the price is going to break down to 21,400, then this means we are going to change to a downtrend. And even so, most of the times what happens, in order to have a downtrend, then you need to have lower lows and lower highs. So if you get a move like this one, then you can expect that the price will continue, but the price might also continue here, and because this is what lower lows means, it doesn't need to break like 100 pips to 1000 pips downside. Yes, trading, profitable trading, it's boring. let's wait and see. Okay, now if you are a seller, of course you want to sell from the best price, which might be this one. If you are a buyer, you want to buy from the best price, which might be this 8,550, or a seller to 8,600 is too far. No, 8,580, let's say. Yeah, yeah. I'm not going to buy here, even though it's a good price. The way I'm going to buy here is if the price is going to do something like this. Yes, yes, yes. Let's see what happens next. Hmm, yeah, 8 minutes away from the opening. So let's say you are a broker or institution and you start work at early morning. Okay, that's 3:30 my time. But you are going to work and you see that the price has did like this. Are you going to get scared? Are you going to short, or are you going to see this as a recover and you are going to buy for this, which is a good price? So I will probably go long, but we don't know. Let's see what the institutions, the banks, and so on are going to decide. But if the price was pushed down, probably because they want to buy as at a good price. Um, yeah, if the price is going up like it did here, probably because they want to sell at a better price. By the way, if I'm not going to open any trade today, that's just normal part of the plan, but I think I'm going to open something. Not sure what, but let's see. Yeah, this is very interesting. So I think that as the things are moving now, I get SP that is going to probably go up. I'm going to have Nasdaq that is going to go up. You would see that is going to go, I don't know, up now and down later. Not sure. So we are before the market opening. So what are the prices going to do? They are going to push to a better price to buy or sell. Now these are pushing to a better price to sell. Like happen, this is what happened yesterday. Where is 3:30 here? So the prices went up and then it went down, and with the open prices went up. So we got this false break here, then the prices went down because they wanted to buy at a better price. So this is what happened, the price went up. Now if traders wants to buy now, that's not a very good price for UK 100 who wants to buy at higher prices, unless it's a bullish, very aggressive bullish market. But the news, they were not so good yesterday with this DeepSeek and AI technology. Okay, so the price did went up from this level that I said that I'm not going to go up. Nasdaq up, SP up. This doesn't mean that the price is going to skyrocket now. What happens before opening is just market noise and confusion and manipulation. Yeah, I don't think this is the correct move of the market, but doesn't matter what I think. Never think that you are correct or that you are wrong. Just try to see whatever. But most of the time we are traders, we are wrong about the market. And the times we are correct, that's just a coincidence. Bro, that looks like very, very nice short trade here. And look what Nasdaq is doing, is losing power. And the same with SP. And the same with DAX. I would so much like to short this one. Yes, there is a lot of tension before market opening. Let's see. 2, 1, 0, boom. Nothing happened. The price is falling down on this one. It's falling quite aggressively. DAX is falling down. FTSE, we have it here, and then okay, we are testing this level and the prices are going up now. So if it's not going up, they are going down. If it's not going down, they are going to go up. Nothing very clear by now. Yes, yes, yes. I would very much like to go short on Nasdaq under this level, and short on this one also. There is no point that uh, European stocks are going up and um, American stocks are going down. Whoa, that's a big fall here. So yeah, I think we are going to short this one. You see this level that I had here. So if the price is going to close down this level, I'm going to short. If not, and if the price is going to go up here, I'm going to enter long trade. Buy. Da, 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 dum. Okay, so we are having some um, bullish information, I hope, or maybe not, maybe yes, we don't know. Let's see what the price is going to do next. Very interesting. Very interesting here. If the price will close, yeah, the candlestick has closed with this bullish candlestick here. Like, why it's not a bullish, it's a bearish, but with a big wick, which indicates that the seller didn't have power to close down this um, candlestick. So not doing anything here, not doing anything here. I will buy here, I will short here. Yes, I'm going to short this one. Let's see, where you are you? Sell. Yes, thank you, I understand. Okay, I'm short this one, but the stop loss is a little bit too tight, to be honest. Yeah. Why it was so tight? Hmm. Was only 1005. Yeah, I did a mistake here. I had a very short stop loss, but that's life. And the spreads are huge now. Huge, huge, huge. And I also entered very late in the trade, so yeah, this is the trade. So I've entered here, which was very late because I was expecting to enter here, but by the time I open this window and blah blah blah, and very tight stop loss, I should have had it minimum 2000 point minimum. Yeah, 2500. Yeah, maybe 2500. I should have had the stop loss for this trade, but let's see, we are learning, we are seeing it. Let's see what happens. A very nice DAX. It's falling down. It will be too late probably to enter short here. The only way you can enter short here is if the price is going to fall down here, and then maybe enter short here, maybe enter short here. I still don't understand why this doesn't fall down, FTSE 100. So we got DAX that fell down here, and there is still a buy in trading in scenario here. We might get stop loss. Yeah, well, that's it. I can close and break even, but I don't want to do that because then uh, it will be like cowardness sign from my side. So let's see what happens here. Let's take responsibility for our mistakes. But DAX is falling down quite aggressively. Yeah, 30 seconds in this trade. In this trade, not sorry, in this candle. have another alert. What I'm doing, bro? Just want to see what type of alert they had. Yeah, this one. You see? So this is going to be my next trade because I think that, as I was saying, you might see this false break here. Remember that I had the yellow stuff here, and then I was not stopped out yet from the trade, but let's see what will happen next. But this one, I really like it. It's a little bit late, you cannot go long trade here, but let's see. You get optimism in England, pessimism in Germany, and pessimism in US. Oh, we might have a chance with this one, guys. And yesterday I was saying that I don't like to move trades on break even. Well, because I have entered like 1500 points later than I was expecting. Just going to put this on break even now. And I should have closed this also manually. Oh yes, we have our take profit hit. Boy, that was a little bit lucky, to be honest with you, because I have entered so late in the trade. So late. So, yeah, it's 1 hour and something of streaming or what? Uh, Honestly, I cannot see. I'm such a mess with this streaming. 1 hour and 13 minutes. Okay. Um, yeah, if the price is going to go up, let's say, I'm not sure if I'm going to open any more trades, to be honest. But let's make some scenarios. Going short here now is too late. If the price is going to go here, perfect for trades here. Now for buy trades above this level. This is with SP. With Nasdaq, if the price is going to go back to this level, then again you get good trades for the good sell trades opportunities. Okay, but not now. Now we already got lucky with that trade. So, and then SP is the same like Nasdaq, so you don't need to get um, if you are going to enter short both SP both Nasdaq, then you are going to have like basically the double amount of volume on the same trade. So instead of going $20 on this one and 20 on this one, you can just go $40 on one of the trades when you are going in the same direction. Here, perfect sell opportunity. It seems that I'm going to open another trade because it looks like it will follow. It will follow DAX. It will follow. Yeah, let me make ready this so that I don't enter late in the trade. It looks like it will follow the market. I need to have a stop loss of 1500 points and Yes, I have opened again a short trade here, and that's 2 times risk to reward. Man, that's so nice to have 2 times to risk to reward, but I don't like it. And I will explain you now why I don't like it. But let me explain you why I have entered short. So you get a level. Come on. I have my level here where I was expecting to go short, yes. And then you can see that I have this bearish candle with a huge wick rejecting from that level. And then what the price is doing? The price is following the market. We got DAX that went down, we got SP US market, and then we have this Germany market that went down. So I can say that this one is following the market now. But I'm not going to stay with 2 times risk to reward because I don't like the following. You can see that the take profit is exactly here. So yeah, we might get lower lows here. Like, let me go back to trading view. So we might get the price going here and go down before going another uh, having another correction. But why to risk a trade? And because this is a support, sorry, a resistance area here. Uh, Here, yes, here it's where I'm. Okay, it doesn't look the same like the chart on MetaTrader, which is normal, but this why I'm doing these poses because I'm a little bit confused. Yeah, they don't look the same. You can see here. So this point, where is it? Let me make it a little bit like this. So um, you see I have this point here, and again support, resistance, and again support here. So they are not quite the same because this line should have hit this point here, this point, and it's a little bit too far from that one. But my stop loss now is here, and I just want to put it 1.5 risk to reward. From 2 reasons. One, I already have a winning trade and there is no point to be greedy. Second, uh, I have this area here that the price might not break. So another thing that I will do if the price is getting close to this one, probably I will move on break even. Yesterday I was doing some calculation and said that why it's not good to go on break even, but when you already have some winning trades, that's fine if you move on break even, and I don't want to lose for the day, it's fine. again again YouTube errors. Guys, if there is a guy out there that can explain me how to make this live streaming, because now I'm connected by cable, I have very good internet connection, but still from time to time I can see that something happens with my streaming and I'm not sure what. Whoa, that's a very big and aggressive candlestick. Let's see what happens with the other instruments. Having another alert, and which one is that one? Probably on ducks, I don't know. It's good that the alert is disappearing so you don't remember where you have had the alert. But now I'm going to put this on break even and move on with my life for today. Very nice ducks. Ducks? No, SP. I wonder if I could have had a longer. Yeah, I have entered late in this trade, so yeah, too bad. The price might go back to touch the moving average and then it might fall down or fall down. Profitable trading, it's boring. Very, 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 very boring. Come on, guys. Let's see this one. Let's see this one. Let's end it for today with 2 winning trades. Yeah, it might take. The price fell down so aggressively, and it might take maybe 1 minute more to end this trade or 1 hour more. We don't know, but what the price can do from here is go here and touch the moving average, or it can go back to the same level where it had been a very good price to buy here, and then it might go back again. So yeah, how long into this candle? 1 minute and 50 seconds. Let me delete this from the chart because it looks very crowded. Let's see what the others are doing. So what I think it will happen now with SP, this is going to happen now, probably. At least this is what I think is going to happen. At that level or at that level here. One of these levels is going to probably go down again. Now we have this Nasdaq where it's doing this scenario that I was waiting, but this might be a false break or it might be just a retest of this level and then going back again, so we don't know. And the same with Germany with DAX, and let's see what's happening with UK 100. Now, how do you feel when you see that the price was so close to touch your take profit? Angry? Should I break the monitor now or later? Or should I don't break it? There are some movies on YouTube, you can find them. So every time the price is going to my favor, then I'm just yay. When the price is going against me, then I just crying. Anyway, just want to say that I will try with every live streaming that I make to include also some type of educational content. Like today I was showing you about these lines, uh, about the trend lines or support and resistance lines, and why I don't like to be very strict with them, why I am so let's say flexible about them. And tomorrow I'm going to think about something else that I'm going to show you. I don't know if then, and again, if there is anything that you have a question about it, uh, any indicator that you can find, I can explain you how it works and what you should see and what to expect. It, again, that's my personal opinion. So this level here, it might hold. This is a level where it hold quite good in the pre-market, and this is a level where I was expecting to go long early. I don't know why I have ignored this. So I might close the trade actually now, and I'm going to close it manually, unfortunately. And I know that some of you guys will not like that, but I'm going to explain you why. Yes, the price might go down, it's fine. But I have a winning trade, 2 times risk to reward, 40 USD. And then again, I'm having 10 USD here. Why would I choose to close the trade here? Because I haven't paid attention when I put my take profit. Actually, my take profit should have been up until this level here. That's it. That's it. Why? Because I have this very important area here where the price reacted, and it didn't react, but it consolidated here. After London open, before the New York open, like okay, a few hours, but the price had a period like 12, 11 o'clock. No, it hit first time at what time? It was there around 10:30, and it did some false breakout like 3 hours later. This means that this might act like a support level now, even though I had this very aggressive bearish candle that might not mean that much. So the price might just go like this, like this, like this, and like this. Or of course it might go down from here up until here, and then we don't know. But it's good to take profit in the area, in up to the areas where you have some type of resistance, of some type of support, like in this case, but it's also some type of resistance from the market, let's say. Okay, so I have closed my trading day with 2 winning trades, and I'm already how much? I don't know, 20% I think from those 10%. Guys, thank you so much for watching, for having patience, and again, ask you can ask questions or whatever if something is not clear, or you can come with some suggestions. Thank you so much.